Now let us go and try to understand the next one that is known as mutable versus immutable. It is very good property. For each and every object, you need to understand the given object is mutable or immutable. We need to understand about it. For instance, what is the standard definition of mutable is items of objects can be changed. You are able to change it. Then it's called as what? Mutable. Items of objects cannot be changed. Then it's called as what? Immutable. For example, string items are mutable or immutable, I am asking. I give an answer also here. What is this? Immutable. List items are mutable or immutable. What is the answer? Because we are able to change the item value, we are able to change it. 10 to 9, something like that. For example, to prove these two questions answers, we are working with strings. P value I want means I can write here 0. If I want to replace that P with J, I am trying to write here 0 is equal to J. Is it working or it's saying as something else? Object does not support item assignment. What is that meaning? Is it immutable or immutable? It is immutable. If you are able to change it, it is immutable. If you are not able to change it, it is immutable. Now, if you go for working with the list, I have to change here 10 with the 1000. So 0 means 0 index position, we have the 10. That we are trying to replace with what? 1000. We are able to do that. It's not throwing any error. As it is not throwing any error, I can confirm it is what? Mutable. Okay, let us try to see the same thing practically. Suppose I am trying to create here one string object, I am creating it. We are trying to learn about mutable. Mutable means can be changeable. Okay, nothing but what? Change items possible. Change items possible here. Changing items is what? Possible. Versus what is that? Immutable. Immutable means what? Change items not possible. Change items not possible. Now let us go and try to write here one string object. For example, I am trying to create here one string object a underscore str is equal to, then we are writing here Python. As you know, Python is very strong language, very strong language. Integrations with other languages also possible. Meaning, C language I want to integrate here. They come up with a language known as Cython, Cython. If you want to integrate with the Java, they come up with a Jython, Jython, Jython. So, as you know, each language has its own plus, its own minuses. Similarly, some functionalities are good in the C means still I can use Python. Those functionalities I can access through the Python. That's how Cython, Jython, these all cross technology things are came into the place. Now I want to go for here. I want to change here P with the J. If I am writing here J, I am writing it. A underscore str 0 index corresponding 0 index corresponding. I want to change with the J. Is it allowing or not allowing? Not allowing. Because it is a immutable. What is this? It is a immutable. So now we understand here string object is immutable. String object is what? Immutable. Next, let us go and try to see the list object. For example, we are trying to create here a underscore list is equal to 10, 20, 30. I want to go for a underscore list of 0. You know, it is going to give you 10. I want to replace this 10 with, let us say, 100. I will able to replace it happily without any issue, right? That means I'm able to change the items or not. I'm able to change the items. So what about the list object now? List object is immutable or immutable? List object is mutable because we are able to change the because you're able to change the items. List object is mutable. So this is what the mutable and immutable property. Down the line, any object I introduced, you need to check this property, the items are able to change it or not change it. If change it, it's a immutable. If not change it, it's a immutable. Okay. Please check this property for each and every object, whatever I introduced down the line. Thank you. Please work on it.